Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to customize the Google Chrome homepage step by step. Customizing your Chrome homepage allows you to change the background, add shortcuts, and personalize the way your new tabs look. So let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. To customize the new tab page, open a new tab by clicking the plus icon at the top of the browser. Once the new tab page opens, look at the bottom right corner of the screen. Click on Customize Chrome. A customization panel will appear. Here, you can change the appearance of your Chrome homepage. To change the background, click on Change Theme or choose a background image from the available options. You can select categories such as landscapes, art, or other available collections. You can also upload your own image by selecting the option to upload an image from your computer. Next, you can customize the shortcuts that appear on the new tab page. Choose whether you want to display your own shortcuts or the most visited websites. You can also turn shortcuts on or off depending on your preference. If you want to change the color and theme of Chrome, select a different color option from the customization panel. Choose the color you like, and Chrome will automatically apply the new appearance. Once you've finished customizing the page, simply close the customization panel. Your changes will be saved automatically. If you want to set a specific website to open when Chrome starts, click the three dots in the top right corner. Then select Settings. From the menu on the left, click on Startup, select Open a specific page or pages. Click Add a new page, enter the website address you want to open, and click Add. Now, whenever you start Google Chrome, your selected website will open automatically. And that's it. You've successfully customized the Google Chrome homepage. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google Chrome tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.